Look at this from Vanguard News Online says that Trump lied about Christian genocide in Nigeria, East Africa, Farani. Now, let me lead down some particular paragraph that draws my attention why I'm making this video. Do you understand me? Before I say what I want to say. Now, it says here, my position is that Mr. Trump has lied to the whole world by arranging Christian genocide in Nigeria without any evidence to back it up. He said, according to Vanguard News. He said about 3,100 Christians have been died in Nigeria. When you look at the narrative of Mr. Trump and match it with what is on ground, the buyers, be it a terrorist, bandits, kidnappers and armed robbers, and so on and so forth, or people we simply call government, do not care about your religion, and many of them care about the ransom that you are going to pay. So it is not about religion. Falana noted that in violence-prone areas such as Benue, Plateau State, the conflict is rooted in land and grazing dispute. Those who are buying there are either buying to exploit land or buying to feed their animals, he said. The last one, we will say that now I know him, no only good at Norma Trump. I know his artists, I know his hatred for Africa. This matter is about the resources of our country. The same guy who are promoting this debate are also saying let's cut China to seize in Africa. We must look at the geopolitical considerations and the errors made by our government in the past and the present, he said. My attention after can go to that article. Maka ihe a okwu na ọ dịka na channel television ebe mere interview wee na-narrate gasị and a lot of things and na ife a na-abịa from Nigeria for because of Nigerian resources. Now we're chọrọ ịkọwale gị ebe a. There is no doubt that insecurity is affecting every part of this country, Nigeria. There is no doubt. You understand me? Because you can be traveling from Lagos to Abuja and you will never come back. On your way going to Abuja, they kidnap you, enter bush, and start demanding for ransom. And those people that are doing that, that they don't even care whether if you're a Muslim, whether you're a Christian, or whether you are on your tradition. Do you understand me? They don't care. That is the fact. But you see, some part of this country, the buying that is going on in some part of northern Nigeria is because of their Christian religion. That is the fact, and that is the simple truth. Do you understand? When some of you now they come out, they talk say, hey, there is no Christian genocide in Nigeria. I begin to wonder, what is buying where they're northern Nigeria? What are we going to call that? When you hear about the genocide, what do you understand? People will be sleeping. Armless people. You see all these terrorists, you come and start buying all of them. If genocide about that thing. You are targeting one religious group of people or one ethnic group of people, and you are buying them on daily basis, and you say that is not genocide. I'm not coming for you now as genocide for my own understanding. Target one group of people or another group of people, or targeting another group of people, naturally in a buffer because of one belief or the other, or because of their religion, or because of from which tribe. If I have pure Guinea, Jenna, do you understand me?